Team Touche! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a copycat version of buffalo wings from WINGSTOP, but they are gonna be gluten-free. I have so many straight pieces. Gotta do something with these curls. So the annoying thing about it all is this literally just came before I started filming. Let's get back to it. I guess I'll just keep my hair right here. Oh, that's probably why that happened. Okay, so our oil is getting hot. Most important part is I have 2 cups of vegetable cooking oil getting nice and hot for our wings. I have the chicken all dry. I've been sitting this out for about 30 minutes. I just let it soak up on a paper plate and paper towel. I have all my seasonings here. I'm using Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Wing Sauce. Poured out half the bottle, which is 6 ounces over here. And then I also have 1 cup of flour here. I'm going to season the flour and season the chicken lightly. I am going to now remove it on another paper plate so we can get all of the wetness away from the chicken. Now that we have our chicken dry, lightly season the chicken. This is 1 cup of flour. Going to lightly season the flour as well, maybe just a little bit more to give it a nice flavorful crust. I have garlic powder. Garlic powder is always so yummy. Black pepper. You can put however much you want. Forgot on the chicken, a little black pepper as well. Make sure you dredge it nice and even in the flour. I really love all wings, but I didn't want to eat all of the wings today and be left with only drumsticks. So this is how your chicken should be breaded. Our vegetable oil is nice and hot. Chicken is nicely coated. You see it's sizzling, so that's how you know it's ready to go. Set a 4-minute timer.
Setting the timer. Okay, 4 minutes and counting.
Make sure you set your timer. So we're gonna do 4 minutes on each side. I wanna make sure that our chicken is well cooked. Then we're gonna toss it in our sauce. I can't wait. I'm frying 5 wings at a time. Yeah, so I'm making 11 wings. Ironically, 11 is one of my favorite numbers. So we're gonna do 5 wings right now, and I'll fry the rest of the wings, and then we'll start making the sauce. I'm excited. Make sure that I keep the lid on there to keep it nice and hot inside. I'll let you guys see what it looks like so far. So far, so good. What do you guys think? Comment below. And now the lid is back on. All right guys, the timer just went off. Time to flip these bad boys. I'm going to set another 4-minute timer. So I have our last few chicken wings in here. I'm going to shake them up. This is also another way, oops. I didn't close it all the way. Make sure you close the lid all the way, but this is another trick of how you can get your wings nicely coated if you don't want to put your hands in there. The final product. Hey guys, I get my gluten-free flour from Trader Joe's. You can get it in any store, but Trader Joe's has the best price. It is a lot more than regular flour. However, if you're gluten intolerant, you gotta just do what makes you feel better. We have 30 seconds left, and the wings are looking so delicious. First batch, total of 8 minutes cooked time. Next batch of wings. It's really important to shake off the excess flour to prevent it from getting all in your oil. Here we go. Set a 4-minute timer. Time to flip. I'm going to set a 5-minute timer on these just because I have a few more wings in here than I started off with. This is the final product of our chicken wings. They look good. Can you believe these are gluten-free? Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Next step, 1.5 ounces of honey, 6 ounces of Frank's Red Hot Buffalo wing sauce, 1 stick of butter, which is a total of 8 tablespoons. This is how I can tell if the pan is nice and hot enough. It is. I have the heat on a medium low heat. Here goes our stick of butter. You want to make sure you get your butter on all sides of the pot. It can melt faster. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little now, closer to a low heat. You don't want your butter to burn or to brown too much. The butter is almost all the way melted. You want to make sure you get it all melted before you add the honey. Time for the honey now that we have our 1 stick of butter nicely melted. Now you want to turn off your heat. So now you want to whisk this in nicely. Now you have your honey butter, your buffalo sauce. Whisk that all in. Smells amazing, the aroma in here. Oh, literally smells like WINGSTOP. I didn't even know that they put honey in their buffalo sauce, but this is genius. This is the perfect temperature for your wing sauce. Okay, so one tip, you don't want to make your sauce too hot because it will separate and get oily and really messy and just not look good. This is the perfect temperature. Now it's time to toss our wings. I'm so excited. Now that our wings are all done and dried and drained, I will put them now in our plastic container. Time for the sauce. It smells so good. We just finished with the wings. We put the sauce on and everything. We tossed them. It's time for a montage before I put them in the oven. Let's get it. My non-stick baking tray, butter flavored non-stick cooking spray. Just cover your whole pan so that it doesn't take off your skin. Time to put these bad boys in the oven. I have my oven preheated to 350. Time to put the wings in. Put it in the center of your rack for the best baking. Set a 10-minute timer.
10 minutes and counting.
I like to keep you guys updated. This is after 5 minutes. Don't they look amazing? We have 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. 10 minutes is up, which means our chicken is done. Amazing. 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 Good food makes me sing and dance. You guys know we gotta do a final montage, right? I mean, it's only right? Okay. Copycat, gluten-free, buffalo, WINGSTOP wings. My plate of wings. I thought that it would only be right to eat some with you guys. I'm not gonna do a little mukbang or anything like that. I just want to eat one of them before I wrap up this video so I can hurry up and start editing so I can release it today. Happy Sunday, guys. I hope that you guys love this video. First bite. These are bomb. These taste like WINGSTOP Copycat recipe, but I'm not really sure if I would agree that they taste like WINGSTOP. It's way better than WINGSTOP. Tastes like this place in the Bay Area, and also there's one in LA called Kincaid's. It's a seafood place and they have like the best buffalo wings. It's a nice like high-end restaurant, not too high-end where the prices are like ridiculous. Nice date place to go or just to treat yourself out, as well as Cheesecake Factory. Cheesecake Factory has like a really good buffalo sauce. I love it. These would be like a mixture to me with a little bit of sweetness because they're not as spicy as I actually would have liked them to be. They have such a really good flavor flavor that I'm not mad. First, I was going to lightly season the chicken with cayenne pepper, which I actually had that out with my ingredients. But sometimes I get excited when I'm filming and kind of forget steps, although they're right in front of me. As long as you guys know, I am not scripted on any of these videos. These bad boys definitely now on the menu. These are so good. I could sit here and eat them all with you guys right now. I actually want to make some french fries as well with this. I'm gonna wrap up today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy our recipe that we did together. Gluten-free buffalo WINGSTOP wings. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I missed you guys so much. Please comment below, let me know what kind of recipes you guys would like to see next, gluten-free or non-gluten-free. I know that I haven't made a video like updating what's going on with me making gluten and gluten-free food nowadays. Long story short, you guys want to know more about my whole journey of being gluten intolerant, definitely comment below and I can make a separate video. I do want to tell you guys that I actually have been eating gluten foods for officially for a year now. Now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of testing and trial and error with foods, trying to figure out what is good for me and what's not good for me. There have been times within this year that I've gotten sick, that my stomach has hurt, but it actually hasn't gotten as big as it used to, which is amazing. Also haven't had any rashes or anything like that. One thing that does happen to me is I'll randomly get like a little bump like this or something like that on my face. Be like right here, just like weird, but I'll just have like one of them at one time, and I always feel like that may have something to do with gluten. I'm not really sure why that's here. It may just be from the oils in my face. I don't really know. But this is definitely a sign sometimes for me to know that I may have had something that didn't really sit well with me. If you guys are gluten intolerant, or if you just want to know a little bit more about the diet lifestyle, make sure you comment below and I'll make another video of this. So far, one thing that has definitely bothered me, high gluten flour. It's definitely something to stay away from because it is genetically modified flour, like to the max. If you guys want me to make another video, like I said, I will definitely drop that. Please make sure that you guys comment whether you want to see that video or not. Comment if you guys liked this video or if you didn't. I really want to start getting feedback from you guys. I want to start engaging with you guys. I also want to do a Q&A very, very soon, maybe my next video. If you guys can also post comments, also ask questions in the comments, and make sure that you follow my Instagram. My chef one is at Chef Touche. Personal page is at Jasmine Touche. I hope that you guys love this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you like, you subscribe, you turn on those post notifications, and you comment below and just tell me how much you love me. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.